Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey through the cosmos of data science. Harvard is offering a series of free online courses that can equip you with the skills and knowledge to navigate this data-driven world. Yes, you heard that right. Harvard quality education accessible to anyone with an internet connection. These courses are designed to take you from the basics to advanced concepts, all taught by leading experts in the field. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to upskill, these courses offer a fantastic launchpad for your data science journey. Our first stop takes us to the cornerstone of data science programming. HarvardX's CS50, Introduction to Programming with Python, is your one-stop shop for mastering this essential skill. We'll begin with the basics of programming logic, learning how computers think, and how we can communicate with them using the language of Python. Think of Python as the universal translator for the data universe, allowing you to unlock insights hidden within massive datasets. CS50 is renowned for its hands-on approach, immersing you in the world of coding through practical exercises and real-world applications. You'll be writing your own programs, solving coding challenges, and even building your own projects, solidifying your understanding every step of the way. So buckle up and prepare for liftoff. This first course is our initial thrust into the exciting world of data science. Now that we've dipped our toes into the programming waters, it's time to dive into the fascinating world of probability with HarvardX's Fat Chance Probability from the ground up. In the data universe, uncertainty is a constant companion, and understanding probability is key to navigating its twists and turns. This course takes a captivating approach to demystifying probability, transforming it from a daunting mathematical concept into an intuitive and engaging subject. We'll explore the fundamental principles that govern chance and randomness, learning how to quantify uncertainty and make informed decisions based on data. Imagine being able to predict the likelihood of an event, whether it's the outcome of an election, the success rate of a marketing campaign, or even the probability of discovering a new planet. The course excels at breaking down complex ideas into digestible pieces, using real-world examples and interactive exercises to solidify your understanding. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can grasp these seemingly complex concepts, developing a strong intuition for probability that will serve you well throughout your data science journey. This course equips you with the ability to quantify uncertainty, analyze risks, and make informed decisions, essential skills for any aspiring data scientist. With a solid grasp of programming and probability under our belts, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the heart of data science with HarvardX's Introduction to Data Science with Python. This course is where theory meets practice, where we transform raw data into actionable insights using the power of Python. Get ready to enter the world of data wrangling, cleaning, and exploration. We'll learn how to import, clean, and prepare data for analysis, uncovering hidden patterns and trends within datasets. You'll learn how to visualize data using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, creating compelling charts and graphs that tell a story. This course equips you with the skills to extract meaningful insights from data, transforming raw information into valuable knowledge. This course is your gateway to the exciting world of data analysis, empowering you to extract meaning from the chaos and make data-driven decisions. Prepare to journey into the future with HarvardX's Machine Learning and AI with Python, where we explore the cutting edge of data science and unlock the power of prediction. This course takes you beyond traditional data analysis, introducing you to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI, empowers computers to learn from data and make predictions without explicit programming. This course provides a comprehensive introduction to the world of machine learning, covering a wide range of algorithms and techniques. We'll explore supervised learning methods like linear regression, logistic regression, and support vector machines, using historical data to predict future outcomes. Through practical exercises and real-world case studies, you'll gain hands-on experience in building, training, and evaluating machine learning models. This course equips you with the knowledge and skills to build intelligent systems, automate decision-making processes, and unlock new frontiers in the world of data. As we conclude our journey through these incredible HarvardX courses, all the links are in description. I encourage you to take advantage of this incredible opportunity to unlock your data science potential. The world is brimming with data, and those who can harness its power will shape the future. Remember, these courses are completely free and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So, embrace your curiosity, never stop learning, and who knows what incredible insights you might uncover.